back only that the news that have come in, the Trump has called in for 25% of tariff on products which are coming in from US from Mexico, Canada. So that means pro-policy, the kind of expectation market participants have set in from Trump, that is coming into play now. In fact, he's also imposed 10% on Chinese products also. But now, let's talk about US markets. They seem to be on record levels again. In fact, post-Trump election rally, there's an extended rally what we are seeing now. Now, 30 stock Dow, that one popped roughly 440 points yesterday, nearly 1%. And now to close on a new record close during the regular trading. In fact, S&P also, that one gained minor, but then that one also notched a new all-time intraday high, whereas Nasdaq also jumped up about 0.3%. And not just the main indices. In fact, if you look at the small cap index, Russell 2000, that one also hit a new intraday high yesterday. Its first record since 2021 now. So, US market is on record highs. There's no stopping to the run-up, which has come in not just before Trump. In fact, after the Trump election, that extension of the rallies again, what we're seeing on in US markets. Now, talking about Treasury yields, that one fell slightly because the investors lauded the choice of Key Square Group founder Scott Bessent to lead the Treasury Department. Now, this is a truncated week in US. Market is short on Thursday as well as half day on Friday on Thanksgiving. So, two economic data which is on the tap is October personal the important data just to come in personal consumption expenditure price index that is on tap for this week.
Well, absolutely. Lots to watch out for this week, right, Priyanka? But then when you take a look at oil prices, though, let's also take a quick look at what really happened with oil and gold, rather. When you take a look at oil prices first, fell more than 2% after multiple reports that Israel and Lebanon had agreed to the terms of a deal to end the Israel-Hezbollah conflict, citing unnamed senior US officials as well. Firstly, let's take a look at Brent crude futures because you're looking at a close of a downtick of just about 2.9% coming in there for Brent futures. $73 a barrel is the level that you're looking at there. And when you take a look at US WTI as well, a downtick rather of 3.2% or $2.3 is what you're looking at there as well. So those are the kind of levels that you're looking at largely for WTI as well. $68 per barrel is where that one was at. But Israel did say that it is moving toward a ceasefire in the war with Hezbollah, but there are still issues to address. While you do have Lebanese officials also voicing guarded optimism and also saying that Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is not to be trusted. So that is the latest update as far as oil prices are concerned. You have all of those factors also playing in for gold as well, and you do have gold prices plunging just about 3%, breaking a 5-session rally to its highest in nearly 3 weeks as reports of Israel nearing a ceasefire with Hezbollah, the ones that I mentioned, coupled with Trump's nomination of Scott Bessent that Priyanka did mention as the US Treasury Secretary, also soured the precious metals safe haven appeal. So that's what you're looking at in terms of price levels. Then spot gold fell just about 3.4%. $2,600 per ounce is the kind of level that you're looking at when it comes to the yellow metal, and this is the biggest daily percentage decline since November 6. Now, in terms of key catalysts, you do have geopolitical tensions just sort of easing off just a little bit, and gold, of course, is a safe haven asset that is bought in times of political uncertainty. So you do have that safe haven trade also playing in, and you have that US Treasury pick update also is something that the market is looking at least when it comes to gold, Priyanka.
All right. Well, talking about another asset class which seems to be a off-risk rally at the moment, that is Bitcoin, which has been the favorite for traders for at least last 2-3 weeks now, which is up 40% since November 5th. But then that dream run to the key milestone for $1 lakh, that seems to taken a halt, and now it is trading in a stubborn range. Traders seem to be in a profit booking mode. Remember, it has ever since the US elections US elections were underway, Bitcoin started to surge, and we've seen more than 40% rise in November month itself. But then now seems that traders are in a profit booking mode here.
Well, absolutely.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.